Good morning, guys. Up early today, out here working for LBC. Gonna be the cameraman. Shout out to Vinny B. He's not here today, so I'm going to be filming the operations. 6:30 in the morning. I'm walking to meet the lads in the van. Feel the chill in the air this morning. Luckily, got the new LBC jackets on. Feeling fresh. Here we are, waiting for a wild Jim to emerge from his natural habitat. Some stars of the show today. We're hoping he's had his coffee beans this morning. Oh no, no, come on Jim. The little van ain't quite cutting it today, so we got the big van. Here at the LBC yard, the boys are discussing, talking the morning's tactics over. Jim still ain't had his coffee yet. No, Jim, come on. Oh no, none of that. Morning coffee coming in soon. No, the thumbs, Jim, the thumbs. Hey, boys in the van.
Fitzwilliam Close.
I'm already down there.
So what we got today then, lads?
We've done these already, the fronts of these buildings.
These ones already done?
Yeah, the fronts of these buildings already done.
Yep.
Take the next left onto Fitzwilliam Close, then turn right to stay on Fitzwilliam
Hey,
Close.
there's our arm.
You got to here yesterday, didn't you? I got to down. You got one down and below as well. Yeah.
So these are all been done?
Yeah, the fronts have been done. Yeah.
Great day for it. Day to have a day. And here they are. The boys are already on site.
You have arrived.
We've arrived.
Morning, gents. How we doing, lads? How we doing, boys? Here we got the crew. We got Dexter, the operations manager, organising the team, where they're going to start, where they're going to finish, how they're going to carry out today's work. This is in fact the second block where all of the gutters, all the way around, are going to be emptied and cleaned, as you can see. Show me again. Feet in there.
Feet up here, like this. Up here, like that.
Okay, awesome.
And these guys, each shoulder when you go up.
Yeah. You're not trying to get me to go up there, are you?
I would never do that.
These guys are forgetting that I'm the cameraman. Test guided and that's safety. The vehicle's operator here, Jim, guiding the machine nice and slowly. Here we have Jim cleaning and emptying the gutters. Got Aaron down there. Bagging it up, leaving no waste on the job. Excellent work there, Jim. Saw operations go here today. Maintenance of the flats.
I'm going to London. I have another job.
Yeah?
Some steam cleaning. To do some stairs there and some concrete for green organic. And now I leave you guys.
Okay, brother, take it easy. Ain't gonna be missed. Look at them. The power. Nice lunch break for the lads. Calves for the working man. Let's go. Cheers, Gabs. Take care, brother. Good luck on the next job. There he goes. Hey, typical English breakfast for any American viewers today. Thank you very much. And a cup of tea. All right, then we got Aaron here. He's had his lunch, he's all fueled up, and he's ready to go. Whew. Here at LBC, safety comes first. Good luck up there, brother. I'm gonna stay down here. My feet on the ground. Yeah, safer down here. Good luck. Once over, last final walk around, make sure I didn't miss anything, make sure everything is good. I've been your videographer today, Carrick Salmon on YouTube. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button, leave a like, comment, let us know what you think of the results and of the process. Thanks for watching.